Ready to unlock the power of real-time multiplayer for your Nova-powered games? Let's jump straight into connecting Nova to Photon. First, let's head over to your Nova account. Once you're logged in, locate your profile settings. This is usually found by clicking on your avatar or name in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click the icon, and a drop-down menu should appear. In the drop-down menu, find the option labeled Integrations or Connected Services. It might be under a broader settings category, but look out for anything that suggests connecting to external platforms. Click on that option to proceed. You'll now be on the integrations page. Here, you should see a section specifically for Photon. Look for a Connect, Authorize, or similar button next to the Photon logo. This is what will initiate the connection process. Clicking the Connect button will prompt you to either log into your existing Photon account or authorize Nova to access your Photon services. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Photon, ensuring you grant the necessary permissions. Once you've successfully authorized the connection, you'll be redirected back to Nova. The Photon section on the integrations page should now indicate that the connection is active. You're now ready to start leveraging Photon's real-time capabilities within your Nova project. Enjoy.